Hello gardeners, this is Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm. Welcome to our part 3 of our Ground Up Gardening series. Today we're diving beneath the surface, literally, to explore the fascinating soil layer. It's more than just dirt, it's a living, breathing ecosystem that supports everything in our gardens. Let's uncover how we can turn our soil into a powerhouse for growth. The soil layer is the foundation of life in your garden. It's not just a place for roots to grow, it's a dynamic environment where plants and microorganisms interact to create a thriving ecosystem. Healthy soil means healthy plants. Without the right balance of minerals, organic matter, and bioactivity, your garden will struggle to flourish. Our soil is a mix of 4 key components: minerals like sand, silt, and clay, organic matter from decomposed plants and animals, water to hydrate, and air to oxygenate roots and microbes. It's a blend that determines your soil's texture, fertility, and the ability to hold water and nutrients. This layer is divided into horizons. The topsoil, or A horizon, is where most of the action happens. It's rich in organic material and home to the bioactivity layer. Beneath that, the subsoil stores minerals, while the parent material and bedrock provide long-term support. Understanding these layers helps you manage your garden more effectively. Focus on enriching your topsoil. That's where the plants get the nutrients they need. Healthy soil is absolutely alive. If you look for signs like earthworm activity, a rich dark color, and a crumbly texture, these indicators show that your soil is teeming with life and ready to support growth. If your soil doesn't have these qualities, don't worry, there's ways to improve it. The secret to healthy soil lies in bioactivity. Microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and protozoa break down the organic matter into plant-available nutrients. Adding compost, leaf mold, or well-aged manure feeds these tiny helpers. Avoid over-tilling to preserve their habitat and soil structure. Gardening often comes with soil-related challenges, but there are solutions. Compacted soil? Use a broad fork or organic matter to loosen it. Poor drainage? Amend with sand or perlite or switch to raised beds. Nutrient deficiencies can be fixed with targeted amendments like compost tea, bone meal, or green manure. Enhancing your soil is an ongoing process. Mulching, cover cropping, and adding biochar are all effective ways to build soil health over time. Don't forget compost tea, a liquid brew packed with beneficial microbes that supercharges your bioactivity layer. Your garden's success starts with the soil. By caring for the bioactivity layer and understanding the unique makeup of your soil, you're building a strong foundation for years to go. Stay tuned for part 4 in our Ground Up series, where we'll explore the next vital layer in your garden ecosystem.